Hello folks, today we're going to be having a special guest again. Jeff here. A few weeks ago we showed you there he had chicks. Well, he's built them a brooder box. We're going to let him show it off here to you.
Okay, Doug, got my brooder box pretty well done. I'm going to line the inside of it with cardboard to help keep it a little cleaner on the floor anyway. But here it is. I've got hardware cloth over top. I can remove this piece here, remove this piece here. The hardware cloth goes all the way back and it just flips up in case, like so, when I want to add the food and the water, check on them or whatever. Also on this end, there's a blocker, and that just keeps the lid from flipping all the way over and damaging a hinge. But anyway, you just flip it up like so, and that way when I've got it on the table over there, I can reach back in there with a hoe or whatever and rake the shavings and waste, whatever, out into a wheelbarrow and close that back up. I'm going to put me a button on the bottom of that, like so, to keep it fastened down there, because it's, as you can see, it sticks out a little bit. But anyway, it turned out pretty good, I reckon. First one I ever made. I just lays back over, just weight holds it down. So let me know what you think. Talk to you later.
Great job, Jeff. Thank you for sharing that with us. Folks, if you got anything you'd like to share with us, just let us know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave us a question. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.